Draw Learning. Hello guys, welcome to Draw Learning channel. Today we are going to draw a beautiful and cheerful rainbow while we learn Spanish. We draw a cloud that is said NUBE. We draw another one. We draw their adorable eyes. Adorable in Spanish is adorable. Be careful, they are spelled the same but pronounced differently. Now we draw the rainbow. It's time for the question of the day. How do you say rainbow in Spanish? At the end of the chapter, we will know it. Now let's fill the drawing with color. We use red. Red in Spanish is rojo. Let's go with orange, which in Spanish is naranja. Let's go with the yellow color. Yellow in Spanish is amarillo. Now let's go with the green color. Green in Spanish is VERDE. Let's go with the blue color. That is said AZUL. We use purple, which in Spanish is MORADO. Let's go with the violet color, which in Spanish is VIOLETA. Let's see if you know the answer. Rainbow in Spanish is ARCOIRIS. Fantastic! You have got it right. Very good. If you liked the video and you want to see more, feel free to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next drawing.